to go grab those skis, though.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Where are they at?
They're in the recycling bin right now, so might need to do some fishing.
Oh, well, I wear white shoes, so.
Yep. Perfect. I'll throw you in there. This looks like a good one. This is a keeper. Up until this point, we have not had power onto our pump house. The power was live and hot today, so we will be working through our system, calibrating our new drives, doing a water test, and if all goes to plan with that, we will be making snow today. It is a very exciting day. I think we're all running around just, like kids on a school day out waiting for snow to happen. It's super exciting. It's what we have all been really working for. We've been working so hard to get this mountain open.
And then we got down to testing the pumps and all that. The seals wasn't exactly right in them, just wasn't pumping to their full capacity, spraying water, where they shouldn't have been, stuff like that. So we had to make some adjustments and do a little bit of remachining on them. We have pretty much got the bugs worked out of that now, but still got a little bit of kinks here and there, the small stuff, to work out.
In the process of finding and fixing the issues that the pump house had, we were able to unveil a couple of other minor kinks that the system had that would have definitely prevented us from going fully operational and being able to blow snow at its max capacity. Then the temperatures arose and we are dealing with 60-degree weather, which is just not viable for snowmaking. So once the temperatures decrease and we're able to turn the system back on, we'll continue to perfect that department. Overall, these have been challenges and roadblocks, but we're persevering through them, and we just know it's going to make Hatley Pointe a lot stronger.
Painter in the world painting.
It looks good.
We got our doors are going in, lining the hallways.
So good. Yeah, that looks good. All of that bathroom signage is supposed to be here as well. I need to get my hands on that, so figure out mounting steps for that.
You're still on sheetrock above?
Yeah, we'll finish that nice and clean.
So, but we're still going to do 2 can lights and then sheetrock, okay?
Yep.
Right now, the current state of the lodge is finishes. We are finishing walls. We're putting cement, Venetian cement board up. We have got tile going up. We've got paint. We have really all of the smaller fine details that, make the whole entire space come together is what's taking place right now.
This bay will have that 60-inch diameter chandelier dropped in it. That one's open. That's the 8-top table. And then that other one will have the chandelier. So that chandelier also is going to add a lot to it.
I think we take this line and follow it all the way down and keep that same light.
Let's do it then. So then that's
one
4.
Here. Yeah, one here, and we can do it here in the middle, so it kind of is just like
literally
the statement hovering over this spot, and it's going to give out that beautiful glow on both sides.
I'm for it.
Being that we are not going to be opening up for winter, this is giving us a new plethora of ideas to really expand on. We are taking the same urgency that we had on completing the lodge and still going 120% to make everything perfect and to be fully operational and to open up our doors for spring, late spring, early summer. We're focusing on Smoke and Timbers Restaurant and getting an incredible menu out there that I believe everyone is going to be able to enjoy. We are also looking into developing plans for more summer activities and ways that we can bring more recreational outdoor experiences to this area, and just again, have more outlets for people to come and enjoy what we're doing here, and really focus on this being a healthy, thriving community that has many different things for people to do and for people to enjoy. We 100% see mountain biking being in our future, and we look forward to continuing to see what that future looks like for us. I believe it's going to be a lot sooner rather than later.